Okay, you guys, this is where we're camping for free. We're not too far from Lake Mead. We're about 20-something miles from Lake Mead, and this is where we're camped for free, where we spent the night. And we're gonna go for a little hike and see if we can do some exploring in this little area here. And Tinkerbell's with me. She's following around with the camera, so anyway, it's beautiful. And that out there, let me see, all that out there is more solar panels. It's all solar panels. Yep, pretty crazy. Anyway, Tinkerbell, come on. We're gonna see what's out here. Just go a little ways, look around, take Tinkerbell for a little walk. There was a really cool design. There's a lot of rocks piled up around here, and different styles. Let me see, where's that one? I wonder. Let's see. I know I saw it earlier when we came out here, and there's a few of the stacked rocks and stuff. So, little Miss Tinkerbell, come on. She's a little sniffling around. Gotta smell everything. Let's see, where did I see that? Like that right there. Someone put those two rocks up next to that rock. If I can. I'm kind of shadowing it, aren't I? Right there. And I'll show you some other ones too along the way. That's an old can. Let's see if I can find that. That'd be really cool, because it was really cool. Oh, and see, and look at that. Someone put that rock on top of there. Tinkerbell smells something. Come on, Tink. Get all the scratches in it. Makes you wonder what caused all those scratches. Come on, Tinkerbell. Oh. What do we got over here? Some of this looks like there's cement, almost, you know? I don't know. Look at that. Seems awfully strange. Tinkerbell. Oh, you're right here. Okay. Gotta pay attention to where she's at too. Oh, look at this. What's this? Oh, something made a new hole. Look. That stuff there is fresh. That's fresh. We can see in there. Nope. I don't know if I could see in there or not, but that's fresh. That wasn't there this morning when we came out. Tinkerbell, come on. Tinkerbell, come on. I don't know what's living down in that, but it dug that hole out pretty good. See, there's some more holes. Come on, Tinkerbell. Yeah, that was something digging. Literally digging. Oh, wow. Look at that. Were the ground's rubbed away? What is that? Huh. It's like, I don't know. It's strange. We spent the night here last night. There's another hole. Lots of holes. Wonder what's living in those holes. I'd really like to find that design with the rocks that I saw earlier. That would be way cool, because it was pretty cool. Look at those. Are those caves? Huh. Wow. That's the direction we're going. I don't know. Might not be that far. It might be a long ways. Might be a lot further than it looks. I brought her leash. Put her on the leash before we get up there. If we get up there, maybe further than it looks. I'm not sure. Let's see. Which way shall we go? Let's go this way, Tinkerbell. Okay. Tinkerbell. Come on. Ew. That's weird looking. Tinkerbell, I think I better get her leash on. We're getting pretty close. Well, maybe we're not. Still might not be able to get to it. Might not. Come on, Tinkerbell. I think we might be coming up on a canyon, little canyon or something. I'm not sure. Oh, we've walked a long ways. Let's see. Where's Xena? Xena should be out there. I can't really see. But look at this. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell. Oh yeah. Yeah, we better put her leash on. I'm gonna set you down for a minute so I can get her leash out. Tinkerbell, come here. Let's get your leash on. Because I don't know if we're coming up on some coyote dens or what. Okay? Just want to make sure you're safe, baby. Okay? Okay. Alright. Thanks, you guys, for waiting. You're with me on this, straight up. No edits, no nothing. We're exploring. That's what we're doing. It looks like we're gonna be able to make it all the way over here to these caves. Come on. See, the best way to go, oops, is, let's see, let's try here. Now we're in the big wash. Oh, come on, Tinkerbell. What's the matter, honey? Get something in your foot? Okay. Whoops. Alright, sorry you guys. Dog stepped on a sticker. Oh wow, this is a big cave. Looks like. Let's see. Wow, I wonder if they were mining here or what made these. Come over this way, T. I guess we can go that way. Tinkerbell. Oh, wow. Check it out. Oh, it only goes in there a little ways. Look at all the layers. Whoops. Look at all the layers of dirt and rock.